Today I hope to talk about a fish that is sold at the highest range of price, especially in South Asia, and it is called spotted croaker. Why is that type of fish getting so much expensive? Today's topic is about that. Let's go to the video. Alright, among the countries of South Asia, the countries like India and South Korea have grown this fish in the seawater, and so this can be called as one of the most expensive fish in Sri Lanka too. The most of Sinhalese call this fish as kurala. I don't know how was built it, but the most of Sinhalese call this fish as kurala. Usually in Sri Lanka, 1 kilogram of this fish costs Sri Lankan rupees between 10,000 to 20,000. But in some cases, the price may increase by 3 times more than it. You think, if a fish at least about 10 kilograms, that means the total value of whole fish is more than 1 lakh in Sri Lankan rupees. That means it's more than about 300 of USDT. So that's only the current value in Sri Lankan market, but at the same time, the foreign market has issued a very high economic value more than the local price in Sri Lanka. So in the Sri Lanka, the most of times the fish is sold through an auction system. I mentioned you earlier, there are some of reasons why the price of this fish is getting so much expensive in the market. So let's go to talk about that. People in the world, especially in China, they believe that the drinking soup made from the swim blade of this fish can help to preserve their youth and can help to prevent getting old. That's really an amazing story, but I don't know whether it's correct or not, but they believe that. So the soup is called as the fish mouth. So if you travel or visit in South Korea or South Asian country like South Korea or China, surely you will get the fish mouth to taste. Alright, the other one is, the people in the world, they have been facing a terrible situation like impotence. But I'm happy to say that they use the swim blade of this fish to make treatment for the impotence. That's really an amazing story and a really interesting story to hear. Right, so those are some of reasons that's why the price of this fish is increasing day by day. Alright, the body of this fish is used to many other treatment like this, and their most valuable and most important internal organ is the swim bladder. That's why the value has been given for that fish. Alright, now you can see the swim bladder of this fish in this video clip. Let's go to that video clip. Alright, I hope you got something out of this. Eventually, I would like to say that's my personal idea. I don't know whether it's correct or not. But I don't like to kill animals to fulfill our needs. That's my personal idea, that's my personal opinion. Alright, however, that's the story of the spotted croaker in Sri Lanka. That's the story of the kurala. Alright, I'll wrap up this video here. I'll come with a new video with a new content. Keep alive, keep in touch, and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch more like this. See you later. Goodbye.